Hey guys, want to learn how to scam bait and do calls with professionals and join our cause? Go to scambait.online. For $5 a month, you can join our Discord and learn from the best. You can also listen and join us in doing calls and fight the scammers.
Yeah, of course.
Hello. Okay, my name is Kevin Parker and I represent from PayPal. How can I help you?
$100.
Yes.
$100.
Tell me, sir, do you know English?
Yeah, of course.
Hello. Hello, this is Danhausen here. Very nice, very evil, very famous. And your phone system has now officially been
You
cursed.
asshole, you son of a bitch.
Terry Maki Chuk, Bosari Walla. Bosari.
Thanks for getting connected, PayPal. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Danhausen here. Very nice, very evil, and very famous. And your phone system has now officially been cursed. You Terry Maki Chuk.
Who is Thanks for calling PayPal. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Danhausen again. Your phone system has been cursed. Again.
Hello. Thanks for connecting. We're speaking to Sean. How may I help you?
Hello, this is Danhausen here. Very nice, very evil, and very famous. And I just want to know if you want my nuts in your mouth. Because you're cursed.
I'm sorry, what you said?
Do you want Danhausen's nuts
Hello.
in your mouth? Do you want Danhausen's nuts in your mouth? Because you're cursed.
Can you speak English little bit?
Danhausen says, do you want Danhausen's nuts in your mouth? Because you're cursed.
What you said, I can't get you. Speak English, sir.
Do you want
know English?
Danhausen's balls in your mouth? Danhausen's balls is the size of a grapefruit, and he wants to know if you want his balls in your mouth.
खाली गाली दे रहा है.
Terry Maki Chu, Posiri K, Posiri Wala. Benke Laura, Posiri K.
Hello.
Sorry, but your call cannot be completed.
Hello.
The number you have dialed.
Hello.
Sorry, but your call cannot be completed.
Customer care service number and you're calling right now PayPal. So how can I helping you today? Can you hear me?
Thank you for calling PayPal. My name is Jack. How may I help you?
Record your message and press pound or press star to contact
Hello?
the operator.
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Thank you for calling PayPal.
Hello? Hello? Support @123.
Sorry, there is no one available to take your call.
Thanks for calling Amazon. This is Mark. How can I help you?
Yes.
Hello, this is Danhausen here. Very nice, very evil, mostly very evil. And Danhausen says your phone system has been cursed. You Terry Maki Chu.
Pardon me?
Danhausen says, your phone system has been cursed. You Teddy Maki Choot, Bosity Walla.
Thank you for calling Amazon. This is Sam here. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Danhausen here. Very nice, very evil, mostly very evil. And your phone system has just been cursed by Danhausen. How does that make you feel, you Ben Chode? You Bosity King.
Hello?
It's Danhausen again. Your phone system is still cursed.
Hello?
Hello, this is Danhausen again. Your phone system is still cursed.
Thanks for calling Amazon. This is Mark. How can I help you?
Your phone system is still cursed.
Thank you for calling Amazon.
Can you hear me?
This is Sam here. How can I help you?
Hello?
Thank you for calling the law offices of Danhausen. This
Sorry,
is Teddy
but your call
Maki Choot. How
cannot be
can we help you,
completed.
sir?
Hello.
Hello? Would you like my nuts in your mouth, sir?
Amazon. Mark, how can I help you?
Hello? Would you like my nuts in your mouth? Because you're cursed. You're cursed. Yeah, fuck you too. Fuck my nuts, you little benchode.
Amazon, this is Mark. How can I help you? What animal will be
Mark. Go fuck yourself because you're cursed.
Thank you for calling Amazon. How can I help you?
Can you hear me?
It's still me. It's still Danhausen. You're still cursed. Randy Kabich, Randy Kabach. Bosri Kiwala. And Kilaura.
Your call cannot be completed at this time. Please hang up and try your call again later.
Well, another one bites the dust. Thank you, Danhausen.
Your call has been forwarded to the voicemail for Jem K. Oaks. No one is available to take your call. To the voicemail at the tone, please record Jem K. Oaks. When you finish recording, you may hang up. Has been forwarded to the voicemail. Record your message. Jem K. Oaks. When you finish recording, you may hang up. Your call has been forwarded to the voicemail. Please record your message. Jem K.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello, this is Danhausen again.
Hello?
How are you?
Who the fuck are you?